Hello, everyone. My name is Roshni. I'm a UX designer within Excellerent Solutions, and joining me in Excellerent's development team. And today I'll be showcasing a feature presentation of the Smart Embed tag that we are currently developing for Presence. So Presence is a platform that is implemented based on the overweb patterns, like having a safe digital space, on-page presence, and on-page interactions, which allow users to engage with one another on the internet to share collected data, either publicly or privately. Presence has a feature called Smart Tags, which allows users to embed portions of existing web applications, extend web content with interactive embeds, and access features of other applications from other web pages that use Presence. From creating a developer account on Presence, registering an application, then getting access to the API to embed your application, we envision it to be easy to use for developers. Though this feature is still early in development, its potentials are countless, as it is a new way of annotating and extending content on the internet. So now I would like to showcase a use case of smart embed tags using the new Clubhouse audio platform as an example. So we are currently looking at Courtney's lifestyle blog, which received a good amount of traffic. She has used Presence for some time and realized that she can bridge her audience to her Clubhouse room using a smart embed tag. We can see the Presence badge in the corner, indicating that the platform is open and currently in use. When we scroll down, we can see that she's made bridges, annotating parts of her blog, and sharing them publicly. When we hover the mouse over it, at that point, a badge with the Clubhouse logo would appear, indicating that she's implemented the Smart Embed tag. And when we've clicked it, she can log in into her account through the Clubhouse overlay, which then pins it to the page and shows her the live embed of her Clubhouse room. And we can join the room by clicking on it, and we can see everyone else in the chat room talking in real time and having the option to speak up, to invite friends, or leave quietly in the room. So that concludes this presentation, and the floor is open to any questions and or feedback.
Well, thank you so much. That's really interesting. I love the example with Clubhouse. It's such an interesting platform. Are there any questions from the group about this presentation?
I'll ask. It looks great. I love the idea and just the terminology Clubhouse. What types of interactions do you think you'll have with the people, with each other? What types of interactions do you think you'll kind of promote?
So these smart embed tags kind of promote just the ability to just interact with applications and web pages in real time on different platforms. So if there is a developer from
I can jump in. David here. I work with Roshni, and essentially the tags would allow you embed content from any website. So essentially all we do is we bridge your application on Presence, and so we display your application on Presence so people can interact with your application without having to leave their web page to see your application.
I get it now. Okay, very cool.
Thank you.
So just to clarify, then Clubhouse would be an application that was embedded through the use of the Presence.
Exactly. Clubhouse is currently an audio chat room application that's currently in this beta version. And all what we are doing is giving an example that if we were to collaborate with Clubhouse and their developers submitted an embed, we could technically just put it on our smart tag and you could be in a Clubhouse room without leaving the web page you're currently browsing.
Cool.
So kind of like how a YouTube embed works. You can put a YouTube video on any web page as long as you take the embed code and put it on that web page.
And the difference here is that you would, with the YouTube one, you would actually have to be the web page author. Whereas with this one, you could put the Clubhouse room on someone else's site or on, you don't have to be the web page author to actually use that embed code or tag on any particular website. So you might be the person who's actually hosting the Clubhouse room and be able to attach it to different sites on the web where people might be interested in that conversation in that room. Correct, David?
Yeah. Yes, correct. And like to add to that, a scenario is, let's say someone came up with a new application and wanted to discuss it on Clubhouse, and he wanted to, find an intuitive way or a good way to get traffic to that Clubhouse room or to his application. He can submit that smart embed tag and just intercept traffic from those websites and say, okay, since you're already using presence on this website, you can as well just come straight to my Clubhouse room or to my YouTube video or to my blog or whatever content is embedded on the smart tag.
All right. Well, thank you, Excellerent.